How to enter your own expenses into Zway. On your Zway cover sheet, there is already a link called Put in a new expense claim. Click here. This takes you to the exact form needed to add your expense claim. The form comes in two parts: Claim Info and Expenses Claim. The info part is like a cover sheet to explain what these claims are for. Once you've completed this, you can add any number of items to this single claim. This saves time when adding many items that all happen in the same day, for a business trip, for example. You can also tie these expenses to any project or any particular job or task you are linked with. This saves hours of sorting later. Under the Expenses tab, click Add New and fill in a simple form. The drop-down boxes will already guide you to match your expensed items against your company chart of accounts. VAT is totally flexible, and you can even add a scan or a snapshot of your receipt here. Once you are happy you have added every item, you can save and close the form. It will ask you whether you want to save the expense as a draft. You can change this again later if you wish, or if you want to submit your claim immediately, this will go directly into your workflow, ready to be checked, approved, and reimbursed to you. That's all you need to do right now. You will receive alerts from Zway as the expense claim progresses, so you can track when you get your money back.